Marauders, welcome back to the channel. I'm tired of picking up sticks, at least a wholesale mass pickup of little sticks, so I finally broke down and I had to buy, I call it a York rake, they call it a yard rake for the back of my tractor. So we'll put this on and see how it does picking up small sticks in my woods and around my lawn. And also I have to put these quick hitch adapters on, which I have a spare set. So we got to get this off the trailer first. A win. I did not discuss the purchase of this yard rake with my wife. Someone had lost her credit card and she was on the phone canceling her card while I was setting up this yard rake on my tractor. And she came out of the house very concerned because she was on the phone with a credit card company and there was a large purchase in a town she never heard of, 40 minutes away from her house at a tractor supply store, and she was concerned someone had stolen the card and was making purchases. Busted. Tractor people, look at the bashing the front grill guard takes from this yard rake. Never noticed it when I was operating it, and it didn't have a scratch on it. Also noticed the stick between the front two tires that's sticking in the frame. I'll use that later. Young people, as you get older, you turn into your fathers and grandfathers, and maybe that's a good thing. I saved all my bolts and parts and had just the right bushings to adapt the yard rake to my IMatch hitch. I'm using my father's hammer, and I hope someday my children can use my tools and remember me. As I'm working under the loader bucket, notice how it ever so slowly is lowering on me. I was not in harm's way because I wasn't under it for very long, but maybe not the safest idea to work under the front loader like that. This rake didn't come with a stand, a kickstand. I wish it did. I can use a block of wood. Not sure how heavy it is. And actually this goes in the bottom hole. Oh, it's not too bad. Okay, I think this goes in the bottom hole. So because I had to actually drill new holes for my box scraper I rebuilt, I believe this hole is 14 inches above the center line of those posts. So let's see if we can get this hooked up on the quick attach. This was a stick that was actually wedged in my tractor frame. That's why I don't like to leave sticks laying around. Let's see if it will hold this up. Oh, look at that. Let's see if that works. This is really interesting. The spacers I thought would be the perfect fit for this are actually too big in diameter. Let's see if we can fix that. These spacers are too big in diameter to fit in this jaw, and it won't let these lower 2-point hitches catch. So I'm going to put in these smaller spacers, smaller in diameter, and see if they work. 3 months prior to this, I refurbished a 35-year-old box scraper and adapted it to this IMatch hitch. And the bushings I'm using are the scraps that I used to adapt the box scraper. And they are almost an exact fit to adapt the yard rake to the IMatch hitch. You can't get a tighter fit than that. So 2 pieces wedged in there. So this is about as tight as I get it here. I would have liked this a little lower in this jaw, about a 1/2 inch, but look, these are bottomed out and are locked in. No space there. The same on this side. Bottom out, locked in. I love it. Let's go see how this works on the lawn. But let's see how it works. I didn't show this tree. I cut this down late Wednesday. I didn't show it. Let's see how this works. I had a productive summer around my property during COVID, and this was a relaxing Friday night project. And I think the quality of the video, the imagery is very good. A beautiful sunny Friday night. Hope you agree. I put the purchase of the yard rake off for over 30 years, very reluctant to buy it. My brother Pat talked me into it. He loves his on his John Deere 1025R. And I have to tell you, you'll see in upcoming videos over the next couple of months it more than paid for itself. Good purchase, and I'm glad I got it. Look, no doubt it's odd, but I really enjoyed installing this yard rake on my IMatch hitch. I hope you find this much joy from a rake in your life. We all would be blessed, wouldn't we? Let's remember everyone who's not only fighting COVID, but fighting a battle for good health. Those of you who are in that fight, my thoughts and prayers are with you. It's made by County Line. I bought it through Tractor Supply. Very heavy tubular steel construction. Works with the Quick Connect, or IMatch as they call it. I got the 72-inch wide model, which overhangs, I think my rear tires are 68 inches. So it overhangs my rear tires 68, couple inches on each side, which I think is enough. I almost bought, needs to be greased. I almost bought a 7-foot model, but I didn't because if your ground is uneven, I thought it's not going to get into the valleys as well, because my property is certainly not even. Also, for going in between woods and my trees in my woods, I didn't want another 6 inches hanging out on either side. So this must be a popular model. I had to drive 40 minutes to pick it up. They just didn't have any. This one is a little beat up. I'd like to try to get that paint to touch it up. Almost looks like Caterpillar yellow, doesn't it? We know it's not John Deere tire yellow, right? Rim yellow. We know that. So I'm pleased with it. Hope you enjoyed this simple video. I'll shift some more. I'll put some more things, clips in, sections of video of me doing the woods, and we see how it does in there around the stumps. Didn't like this stump over here. I don't want to bend it when I first got it, so I got to take it a little easy with it. Marauders, welcome back to the channel. I hope you liked the video. Hit like, subscribe, share with a friend. Trying to break 3,000 subscribers this month. And I hope to see you on the trail, not working in the yard, on the trails better, riding some type of off-road equipment. Thank you for watching. God bless. Have a great night.